coming to you from Tiff's Creatives. Just wanted to touch base. We still are without power, so any chance that I can craft or attempt to craft, I am taking. And ran out of daylight, so there are some of the things or the projects that I'm still trying to get together, work on, things that I'm trying to mail out as for sales products and orders that have occurred, and trying to get it done in the dark. Yeah, getting it done no matter what. Today I have a lot of back pain and respiratory infection stuff going on, but you know what? It doesn't keep us from doing what we need to do, right? Namaste.
Well, yeah, just leave a comment down below. It's somewhere on the screen. But don't forget to subscribe and
Like our
videos, you know, for more content. And don't forget to press that notification bell. Do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's actually get started. Shoo!